If privacy is what you're after, this property delivers it in a big way. Set on 37 plus acres with no close neighbors in sight, this is the kind of place where you can truly disconnect from the noise of everyday life and enjoy the peace that comes with having your own space. What makes this property appealing isn't just the acreage, it's how the land is laid out. The home is surrounded by a quiet rural setting where nature becomes part of your daily routine. Instead of looking out at neighboring houses, you're looking out at your own land, mature trees, and the changing scenery that comes with each season. The acreage also offers plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors without ever leaving home. Walking trails wind through the property, providing space to explore, exercise, or simply take in the natural surroundings. Whether it's an early morning walk with a cup of coffee in hand or an evening stroll as the sun begins to set, the land encourages a slower pace of life. As you approach the farmhouse, you'll notice how comfortably it fits into the landscape. The setting feels relaxed and welcoming, creating the kind of atmosphere that makes visitors want to stay a little longer. It's easy to imagine spending weekends outdoors, working in the garden, or simply enjoying the privacy that surrounds you. Inside, the home has been thoughtfully updated while maintaining the warmth and character people love about farmhouse living. The open floor plan creates a comfortable flow between the main living spaces, making everyday life feel easy and connected. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior while keeping the surrounding landscape in view. One of the standout spaces is the bright sunroom, which quickly becomes a favorite place to relax. It's the perfect spot to enjoy changing seasons, watch wildlife move through the property, or simply sit back and appreciate the quiet setting. During colder months, the cozy wood stove adds warmth and charm, while radiant heated floors provide comfort throughout the home. A heat pump offers additional heating and cooling efficiency year-round. What I like most about this property is that it doesn't rely on flashy features to make an impression. The value comes from the lifestyle it offers. 37 plus acres of privacy, a beautifully updated farmhouse, walking trails, and the kind of peaceful environment that feels increasingly difficult to find.